how to turn on homepage privacy report on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on homepage privacy report on Samsung internet browser. First thing, open Samsung internet browser and now click these three lines in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click settings, and here you will find home page. Click on it and then click privacy report. Click on it and you can turn it on, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.